In this section, I want to talk about search engine optimization. We're going to cover this in two parts because there's quite a lot of content, so bear with me and we'll try and cover all the key points. I want to explain to you why it's very important that you need to be kind to Google. You need to make it as easy as possible for Google to index your website. I want to show you what search engines are looking for when they come to your website, and I want to show you how you can check for search engine friendliness. So why do we need to be nice to Google? Google has become, in a very short space of time, the dominant player in the search engine business. 87.3% of UK web users now use Google as their first search engine of choice. So that's a staggering percentage. And within Google, off the home page, there are some wonderful resources. They're freely available. If you go to the home page of Google, up here, you just click on the About Google tab, just under the search bar, About Google, and you'll come up with this page. And in the top right-hand menu is what you need to be looking for, which says For Site Owners. And there are two really useful resources. There's Webmaster Central, which shows you how Google will index your website. And Google will teach you how to submit content to Google so that it gets indexed very easily. So, what is Google looking for when it comes to your website for the first time? You need to check your own website, and I'll show you how to do this in a second, or you need to talk to your website designer about your website's title tags, description tags, meta tags or keywords, body copy or body text, and links. I'm going to cover each one of these in order. So where do you find all this stuff in your website? Well, bring up any website, and if on the very top bar in your browser you'll see File, Edit, View, and so on. If you click on the View menu, click on the View tab, and scroll down, you'll get a page, you'll get a link that says Page Source. And what this will do is this will bring up a notepad page, and it will show you the code with which your web page was created. So let's take the Visit Somerset front page of the website. That's what it looks like to us in a web browser. But if I look at the source code, it looks like this. There's a lot of information, there's a lot of code, there's a lot of JavaScript and lots of other applications running in there. I'm going to strip all that out. I'm going to show you the very essential basics on a web page, and they are these: title line, meta line or description, and keywords. So let's start with the title line. What does this mean? The title line describes what that web page is about. So this is Somerset tourism, tourist information, holidays at Somerset, hotel, safe catering, and holiday cottages. Where does that title line appear? The title line appears at the very top of your web browser bar, the black bar or the dark blue bar, and you can see it there. Exactly, it's copied it across and put it in the very top of that graphic. Now, when you go into Google, let's say you go into Google and you type in holidays in Somerset and you come up against the Visit Somerset website, there you will see the title line. So you see the title line in the browser bar and the title line as it appears in Google. So how do you go about creating the perfect title line for the web pages in your website? Include some of the main keywords like you've seen in the Visit Somerset website: Somerset, holiday, catering, accommodation. Use clear language. Create a call to action. Keep it page specific, so each page on your website should have its own title line. Keep it short and keep it focused. Google will allow you up to about 60 to 65 characters, after which you'll get cut off. So there's no point strolling on for hours, just keep it very brief and focused. And each page should have a distinctive title, because this will help Google in indexing your website. So here's Mill on the Brews front page. They're in the business of summer camps, outdoor activities, and you can see on the top browser bar there, that's their title line: summer camp, outdoor activity, holiday camp, adventure holiday. And if we go further into their website and we maybe look at their residential courses, the title bar will have changed. Residential courses, school residential trips, outdoor education. So they have really optimized their website for Google.